Hello everyone, in today's video I want to share with you 5 things that you absolutely should do to your skin in summer, when the sun is very active and our skin gets more sensitive. We are going to talk about face massage and gymnastics and exercises that you shouldn't do in summer. I am also going to talk about skincare products that are not really made for summer. And I'm going to share with you a face mask recipe that is going to recover your skin after the long time under the sun. I'm going to talk about which face peelings are rather dangerous in summer, and I'm going to share with you a recipe of a gentle face peeling. But to start off, let's talk about the procedures that you shouldn't do in summer. In summer, you must not do deep facial chemical peelings, as well as laser peeling and dermabrasion, because the recovery period from these procedures is very long. Your skin is very sensitive. The exposure to the sun can cause inflammation and pigmentation. It's also not recommended to do laser or photoepilation on the open parts of your body. Another procedure that is not recommended to do in summer is facial thread lifting. Due to the hot weather, the recovery processes slow down. The next topic is Botox. I am in general against Botox, and I have already told you everything about it in one of my previous videos. But if you anyways decided to do it, you should not choose the hot summer period for it, because Botox blocks muscle activity and slows down the lymphatic flow, and all of that can cause a lot of swelling. It's also not recommended to do a mechanical face cleansing in summer. Under the sun rays, it can also cause pigmentation. And now let's move back to the procedures I mentioned at the beginning of this video, starting off at face gymnastics. I made this set of exercises especially for those who like spending a lot of time under the sun and then their skin gets irritated from it. These exercises will give you a deep effect and are not going to hurt your irritated skin. I included strengthening and loosening exercises to this complex, as well as a neck warm-up and stretching exercises. So let's start off at your trapezius muscle. Hug yourself by the shoulders. Your back should be straight and pull your elbows downwards, pulling the back of your head upwards and feeling how your trapezius muscle is stretching out. Stay in this position for 15 to 20 seconds. And now move on to a neck warm-up, bending your neck side to side. You should be feeling how the side muscles of your neck are stretching out. Bend your neck very slowly and gently. Repeat 5 times on each side. Now we are going to be turning our head side to side and make this exercise a little bit harder in order to strengthen the area of your double chin and stretch out the side muscles of your neck. For that, you need to place the tip of your tongue on top of your front upper teeth, and you should already be feeling the muscles under your chin and on the side of your neck. Now turn your head side to side, looking behind your shoulder. It's crucial to do a scalp massage in order to improve circulation in all structures of your head. Moving the skin apart from the skull bones in all different directions. We can do this massage for up to a minute. You can also grab yourself by your hair in order to increase the effect of this massage. Then finish off with some gentle motions and move on to the exercises on your face. The first exercise is going to be for your forehead. Fixate your forehead and your eyebrows with your fingers and try to lift your eyebrows up 20 times, contracting your forehead muscles but not allowing wrinkles to form. And finish off with some smooth motions, relaxing and loosening the muscle. And now people will think that you're against Botox, but your forehead is not moving. Of course, because I was keeping it with my hands. Do you remember how somebody wrote in the comments that you have Botox in your forehead? Yep, I do. Now let's work through the area under your eyebrows in point tapping motions. For that, with the fingers of one hand, lift your eyebrow up, and in point tapping motions, work through the whole area under your eyebrows. Repeat it again. The next exercise is against puffiness around your eyes. Fixate the outer corner of your eye, pulling your eyes a little bit to the sides. And move your eyes in circular motions in one side, then the other side. While doing that, you should blink intensively. You should feel how the muscles are contracted under your fingers. Now let's strengthen the vertical nose muscle. For that, place your pointing finger under your nose, lifting it a little bit up, and try to push the finger down using the muscles of your nose. Now let's exercise our cheekbone muscles. For that, roll your lips around your teeth, fixate your cheeks in place with your fingers, and try to smile, lifting the corners of your lips up. Repeat it 15 to 20 times. Now let's loosen the middle part of your face and stretch out your cheekbone muscles. Place the base of your palms on your temples, pulling your skin upwards, and make an oval shape with your mouth, feeling how the muscles are stretching out. Now let's loosen the chewing muscles. For that, keep your hands on your temples, pulling the skin upwards, and slowly open and close your mouth. During this exercise, chewing muscles are being relaxed and the pressure is being removed from the joint. Again, repeat it 15 to 20 times. top it with a lip loosening exercise. Let's do one more exercise and move on to a massage. We are going to strengthen the area under your chin and loosen your platysma. Place your hands at the area of your collarbones, pulling your skin and muscles down. Lift your chin up and press your tongue towards the upper side of your mouth, feeling how your platysma is stretching out. It is important to notice here that when you are lifting your chin up, you are not bending your neck backwards. Next up, we have a face massage. I would not recommend doing a face massage over an oil in summer in order to avoid inflammation. Soft lymphatic drainage techniques you can do along a gliding base that is not clogging your pores. I would also not recommend doing deep effect exercises on the skin that is already irritated by the sun, such as rubbing. Today, I'm going to show you a gentle point tapping massage technique. With the tips of your fingers, we are going to be affecting the active points for 10 to 30 seconds. The pressure should be just comfortable for you. The first point is above your eyebrows, right in the middle of them. Then the point between your eyebrows, the point on the bridge of your nose, then 2 points in the inner corners of your eyes. At the outer corners of your eye. The next point is under the middle of your eye. Move lower under your cheekbone. Next points are next to the wings of your nose, following by the point between your upper lip and your nose, outer corners of your lips, and the point under your lips on your chin. This whole complex, consisting of face gymnastics and point tapping massage, does not have an excessive effect to the tissues of your face, and you can do it 2 to 3 times a week. And now I'm going to tell you which skin products you should rather use in summer. You should replace all your thicker face creams with lighter and hydrating textures. Avoid harsh cleansing factors such as soap and alcohol. Replace your face scrub with softer peeling product. And even better if you use a self-made product made out of flour and herbs, such as Upton and peelings that are based on fruits and berries. All of the peeling and whitening products should be used in nighttime. And we are going to make a gentle face peeling with oat flour and buttermilk. Just put some oat flakes in your coffee grinder and make flour out of it. Then take 2 teaspoons of the flour that you got, add 2 tablespoons of buttermilk to it, mix it all together to the even consistency, and apply this face peeling to the clean skin. It is very convenient to apply it with a brush. It is very gentle. It whitens your skin. It doesn't irritate or scratch your skin. It peels off the top layer of your epidermis very gently and brightens up your skin with the lactic acid that buttermilk contains. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and after that rinse it off with warm water. If you have oily skin, you can also massage this peeling into your skin, doing some circular motions. You can do this peeling once a week if you have dry skin, twice a week if you have normal to oily skin. And the fourth tip of this video is a face mask that cools down your skin and removes redness after the sun. For this face mask, you're going to need lanolin seeds, chamomile flowers, and olive oil. 2 tablespoons of lanolin seeds and 2 tablespoons of chamomile. We are grinding using a coffee grinder. Then mix it with hot water till the even consistency and add half a teaspoon of olive or almond oil. Apply the resulting face mask to your face. You can also use a brush for easier application. Due to the lanolin seed, this face mask has a jelly consistency. It is very easy to apply it on your skin. Preferably that your face mask is still warm. You can apply this face mask to your eye area. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off with warm water. Then apply your favorite herbal essence or green tea as a toner. And now a bonus point for those of you who watched this video till the end. I wanted to share with you a natural skin recovery product. Since I never use a night cream, I use a liquid extract of aloe vera. I apply it as a night cream and don't rinse it off. It removes irritation and hydrates your skin. It is a very good natural alternative. So if you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget clicking the bell to make sure you're not missing our newest videos.